Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you today? Today we're going to do page 10, 11 and 12 from our booklet. But before we do the pages, let's remember together what we have learned about in lesson 2. In lesson 2 we learned about mountains. We learned about landforms, right? Landforms, like mountains. So we said that mountains have pointed tops and steep sides, and they are very high and tall. They are the tallest land. And we learned also about hills. We said that hills are also high. So hills are also high lands, but they are not as high as the mountains, and also they don't have pointed tops. They have rounded tops like this, rounded. We learned about plains. Plains are flat and wide, right? And they are very good for farms and growing plants and trees because they are flat and wide. Look, we have many trees and plants. Also, valleys are lowlands and flat. Look, flat land. But the valleys are between mountains or hills. Canyons. Canyons are also valleys. Okay, but these valleys are very deep, and most of them have a river. We learned also about islands. Islands are lands. Look, it's a land surrounded by water. Okay, so it's a land surrounded by water. Islands can be big or small, and they come next to each other like this picture. They are close to each other in a chain. We learned also about continents. We said that continents are the biggest areas of land. They are very big lands. They are the biggest. Okay, and we have 7 continents: North America, South America, Africa, Asia, Europe, Australia, Antarctica. Now let's do page 10. Fill in the blank. Number 1. The biggest areas of land are, what is it? Excellent, continents. So let's write continents. Number 2. An is a land surrounded by water. What is it? It's an island. Wonderful. I'm sure that you know the answer before me. Number 3. A is an area that is flat and wide. It's a plain. Excellent. Number 4. is a high area with pointed tops and steep sides. A mountain. Number 5 is a low land between mountains or hills. What is it? Valley. Let's go to the next page. Look at the pictures and put a circle on hills. So where are the hills here? Let's find them. They are here. So let's circle them. Here are the hills. Put a triangle on mountains. This is the mount. Okay, these are the mountains, so triangles. Put a square on a plane. Okay, this is a plane. This is a plane. And this is a plane. Number 3. Write the word under the correct picture. We have island, valley, hills, and plain. What is the first one? It's hills. What is the second picture? Here. The one, it's not a mountain because here we have an arrow here shows this is what? It's a valley between two mountains. This is a flat land. Yeah, it's a plain. And here is the land that is surrounded by water. It's a island. Let's go to the last picture, the last page. Circle the right word. Number 1 is a high area with pointed tops and steep sides. Excellent, it's a mountain. A is a land that is flat and wide. Plain, wonderful. Number 3 is a land that's surrounded by water, Which one? Islands, that's right. The biggest areas of land are continents. Wonderful. Okay, we finished for today. Inshallah, next week we're going to start lesson 3. See you next week. Goodbye.